Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start inside Applock, open it and go straight to the vault or private space. This is where deleted files often land. Once there, scan for a recycle bin, hidden albums, or any restore option. These are the app's built-in recovery features. Enter your Applock PIN, pattern, or use your fingerprint to unlock access. If you don't see files, make sure to toggle Show Hidden Files inside the vault. This reveals items the app conceals for privacy, and it's the fastest path to recovered photos. If the vault yields nothing, check external backups immediately. Open Google Photos, OneDrive, or any cloud account you might have enabled. Applock sometimes syncs vault contents. Then use a file manager and enable Show Hidden Files to inspect folders like /Android/data or the app's private directory. If no cloud copy exists, prepare for deeper recovery. Plug the phone into a PC and get ADB or trusted recovery software ready. You'll need these tools because app-level deletions often remove the visible file pointers, requiring low-level access to recover data. Now perform the actual restore. If Applock offers a restore or cloud restore, follow its prompts to move items back to your gallery. This is safest. If Applock lacks recovery, run your PC recovery tool or ADB photo recovery routine. Note that rooting the device raises success rates because it grants access to app data directories. After recovery, verify file integrity and move recovered photos to a synced album. And make sure to enable periodic cloud backups and export vault copies so you don't repeat this recovery process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.